Alright guys, welcome back. So this skill happens from a single foot lock. You're going to stay really close to the fabric, belly against the fabric. You're going to bring that loose leg straight and point. Bring it over to the other side across the fabric to the knee. And you're going to slide the bottom ham down as you go forward and sideways to meet the nose to the knee. You want to really crunch in tight. When you come back through, you want to hold hollow body for at least 5 seconds and then step down, flex, and point out the fabric off the footlock. Now let's just see that again. So leg out long, over to the other side, to the knee, slide the bottom hand down as you meet the nose to the knee. Really crunch in tight here, and once you have it, you will feel it. You want to keep the fabric really close into the crease of the groin. Alright, subscribe and like our tutorials to get more. See you soon.